Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to mute the ringtone on your Google Pixel phone. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the volume up a little to open this tab on the right, and you will see the three dots on the bottom. So you're gonna click on that, and here we'll see the call and ring options. So if you wanna mute the ringtone, you're gonna adjust this call slider all the way down. So now your ringtone should be toggled off. So when you're gonna get a call, it's gonna vibrate and not play the ringtone. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.